It's time for another episode of Meatless Monday. Hi guys, today we're doing a classic Jamaican brown stew, but this time it's Meatless Monday style. So we'll be doing brown stewed butter beans. So let's do an ingredient breakdown. What I have here, I have onions, sweet pepper, chopped tomato, thyme, scotch bonnet, scallion, Irish potato, carrot, crushed pimento, chopped garlic, and some grated ginger. Alright, and we'll be using some soy sauce as well. Alright, so let's begin. As usual, when we're starting out our meatless meals, we normally start by flavoring the pot. So here I'm adding a sprig of thyme as well as a peg of garlic to the oil to start flavoring the pot. So we're going to remove the garlic now because we get out all the flavor we want. So as with any classic brown stew, we're going to start out by browning off some sugar. So I'm adding about a tablespoon of sugar here. Then we're going to constantly stir until we get a caramelly color because we don't want it to burn. So it's right where we need it now. So it's looking there. So we're adding the seasonings. As we said, we start out by seasoning our pot in preparing our meatless meals. Stir it up, give it a good stir there. We're adding our potato, Irish tomato, thyme, garlic, ginger, and pimento. So stir it. Adding about a teaspoon of my green seasoning there. Green seasoning video coming soon, guys. No, I'm adding about a tablespoon of soy sauce, as I said there. The smell that's coming from the pot here, so good. I'm gonna cover it, lower the flame, and cook that for about 5 minutes or so. It has now been about 7 minutes, 7-8 minutes. So I'm now ready to add my butter beans here, which is the star of the show. So in the butter bean goes with the liquid and everything. Some people throw it off. For me, as long as I'm cooking the peas or the beans, I'll use the liquid that is in the tin. If I'm not cooking it, then I'll throw it off and rinse it. But once I'm cooking it, I'm going to use the liquid in the tin. Alright, so stir that in and let that absorb, all of that flavor there. As with any classic brown stew, we're adding about a tablespoon of ketchup. Then I'm adding some salt. Not all that salt, guys. About a teaspoon of salt. Stir it in there. we're gonna cover it and then cook this down over low flame for about 10-15 minutes. I'm just checking on it and stirring it, ensuring that nothing is sticking to the bottom of the pot there. And taste it. It's just right. So sorry you can't smell it. It smells so good, and look at that. Oh. So I'm just bursting the pepper to get a little more heat. It has now been about 15 minutes since I've added the beans. So right here now I'm just, crushing the Irish potato to the side here to help to thicken the sauce some more. Look at that there. Whoa, so nice. And so that's it, guys. Please remember to like, to comment and subscribe. I'm gonna dish it and show you. Here's the plated meal, guys, served with my pumpkin rice, some vegetable and corn. All right, see you in my next video, guys.